Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today we'll be making asparagus seafood soup. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients and sauces you'll need to make this recipe. To thicken the soup you'll need 1 large tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water, and mix well. Now let's prepare the soup. On high heat, add in 6 cups of water. When your water starts to bubble, add in your asparagus. Boil the asparagus for 3 minutes. Make sure to skim the soup, that way the soup can be nice and clear. Then add in your crab claw meat and your shrimps. Stir and remember to skim off the scums from the soup. Boil for 1 minute. Then add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Then add in your 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Stir and let the soup boil for 4 minutes. Now for the taste test. If it's too bland, just add a little more soy sauce. Now add in your imitation crab meat. Let it boil for 1 minute and remember to skim off the scum from the soup. Add in your cornstarch slurry. This will allow the soup to thicken up. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Then beat your egg and pour it in. This will be the last step of your soup. Boil the soup for 1 minute and it's ready to be served. And here you have it, yummy and delicious asparagus seafood soup. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now. See you next time.